So as I'm sure you know by now, TikTok is one of the largest and fastest growing social media platforms worldwide. People are using it for hours every single day, and there's no sign of it stopping or slowing anytime soon. And with all this attention and engagement also comes lots of incredible opportunities to make money online using this social media platform. The most popular users on TikTok are making a ridiculous amount of money, but that is clearly very unlikely to attain for an ordinary individual and is obviously the top tier of users, so it's unfair to hold anyone to that standard. But that doesn't mean that you can't use this platform to your advantage and be able to make some decent money online yourself. So in today's video, we will be going over 5 of the best ways that I have found for anyone to make money using TikTok. And I'm confident that this will be a lot easier than you think. So I've seen several ordinary people make over $200 a day using TikTok. This isn't a guarantee that you'll be able to make this amount of money. All it means is that if you put in the work, you will see results and be able to make this realistic number on a daily basis, if you put your mind to it. So I'll be showing you 5 different strategies that are allowing people to earn on average about $200 a day online with TikTok. And please be sure that you watch this video all the way up until the end so you know exactly what you need to do in order to make it the most amount of money. I'll be showing you what I think is the best way to make the most amount of money on TikTok at the end of this video, so make sure you stay tuned. So let's get right into it on the 5 best ways to make money on TikTok. So for the first method on making money on TikTok online, it will be what's known as affiliate marketing. This is personally my favorite way to make money online because it's the most simple and straightforward method of making money online with extremely high earning potential. All affiliate marketing is you promote other people's products and get a percentage of every sale that you make. So whenever you join an affiliate network and select the product that you want to promote, then you'll earn a commission after every single sale that you make with the product that you're promoting. You don't actually have to create any product yourself. All you have to do is focus on promoting other people's products. So one of the most popular affiliate marketing websites that you can use is a website called clickbank.com. So as we navigate ClickBank, you'll notice all these different categories on the left-hand side. So depending on what type of TikTok you have or whatever area you want to focus on, you'll want to select a niche, which can be any of these categories. So if you have a fitness TikTok, then you can click on this category right here, and it'll provide you with many different products that you can promote in the fitness niche. So if we keep browsing, we can see other categories like cooking, food, and wine, and you can see all these different food-related products that you can promote yourself on your TikTok account. So as an example, if you were to promote and sell this product right here, you would get this much money for every sale that you make. This is the average conversion rate that you will be receiving. So let's go back here to the main affiliate marketplace dashboard, and you'll notice that there's a button right here that you can select called Top Offers. After you click on Top Offers, it'll show you all of the hottest offers that are currently making people money. And in order to learn more about the products that you're promoting, you can click on this button that says Affiliate Page, and it will redirect you to the product itself and the page itself that you will be promoting to potential customers. And here, it'll show you all you need to know in order to get started promoting this product. It will provide you with emails that you can use, as well as different images and anything else that's related to helping you get started to promote any product. So in order to actually promote a product, all you have to do is click on the button that says Promote. After you click Promote, this pop-up will appear, which will have a button for you to click that says Create Hop Link. Once you click that, you will then be given your custom affiliate link. This is the link that you'll be posting in your TikTok bio for people to click on and purchase the product that you're promoting. So if you're promoting this particular product, you can make this much money every time someone buys this from the affiliate link in your TikTok bio. And there are hundreds and hundreds of different products that you can promote however you like. So let's take a look at an example. This account right here focuses on fitness. Now right here is a link to either their own product or an affiliate link to a fitness-related product. So if you are focusing on the fitness niche, you can create your own fitness-related TikTok account and place any of these fitness-related products using the affiliate link in your TikTok bio. So you just click on Promote right here and create a hop link, and then get your affiliate link and place it right here in your TikTok bio. And thousands, if not millions of people are doing this all across the world. This account right here also has fitness-related content with a link to either an affiliate product or their own product right here in their bio. So it really doesn't matter which product you choose to promote, as long as it's in your niche and you're creating content about how to become fit, or how to lose weight, or how to gain more muscle. Anything that's related to fitness. So that covers affiliate marketing right there. Now the next way you can make money on TikTok is going live on TikTok. So the way you can go live on TikTok is by clicking on the live button and start going live and talk to your audience and new people who might run into you in your account. So you're probably wondering how you get money when you go live. Well, the way you earn money is by receiving gifts and diamonds from people who are watching your live. So in order to go live on TikTok, it is required that you are 16 years or older. And then in order to receive gifts, you have to be at least 18 years old when going live. So when you receive gifts from your fans, that means you are able to collect diamonds, which can then turn into real money into an external account of your choice. So basically what this means is that there's this currency classified as diamonds within TikTok where you will be able to transfer those diamonds into real money that can be sent directly to your bank account. So right here shows you the steps that you need to follow in order to be able to go live on TikTok. It's very straightforward, so you shouldn't have any trouble figuring that out yourself. So once you've gathered and earned enough rewards, you can then withdraw your earnings to your PayPal or bank account. And the minimum number of diamonds you can accrue is 2,000 diamonds, which is worth about $10. So you can clearly see that you can make money literally just by going live on TikTok. However, there are some requirements when going live. You can check out their legal page, which will show their virtual currency policy in order for you to earn money when going live on TikTok. Now, the third way to make money on TikTok is through what's known as print on demand. Print on demand is a very straightforward business model. Here's how it works. A website that you can use for print on demand is a popular one called teespring.com. An element of how it works is that you can design and create your very own t-shirts. What's really amazing about print on demand is that you do not have to hold any inventory. This website will send your t-shirts and products that you've designed and created out for you. If you're thinking to yourself right now that you're not a designer and you don't know how or what to design, you can go to this freelance website that's called Fiverr.com, where you can hire people very affordably to create your designs for you. So you can see all these different freelancers who will make several designs for you at these different prices. And not only do they make designs for t-shirts, but also any other products of your choosing. So you can literally sell anything through print on demand on your TikTok account. So what you need to do with this print on demand process is share the product, collect the income, where they will then send the product out for you. And this is all done through teespring.com. So there are other websites that you can do that will allow you to have more control if you'd like. And an extremely popular website that a lot of people use is Shopify.com. On Shopify, you can start your own Shopify store and you can link it to another website or application called Printful. Printful is a print-on-demand application for your e-commerce business. So on Printful.com, what they will do is essentially the same thing as Teespring, where they will have all the products and you provide the design, where you will then sell their products with your design on your store on Shopify. And remember, you can sell several different products aside from just t-shirts. So if we scroll to the top and hover over products right here, you can see all these different products that you can sell. They've got tank tops, crop tops, t-shirts, hoodies, sweatshirts, and many more. They've got women's clothing, men's clothing, and if you'd like, you could do something like hats. They've also got stuff like accessories ranging from backpacks to phone cases and more. So if we click on backpacks, we can see what they look like. So you can place your design on these backpacks and sell them on your very own online store through your TikTok account without ever having to actually handle the backpack itself. So let's go back to the example I had before about having a TikTok account that is focused on fitness. You can head over to Fiverr.com and request a freelance designer to design some fitness designs for your products. Then you could head back over to Printful, select a product or products of your choosing, add your design to your product, and then sell it on your online e-commerce store like Shopify. And then link your Shopify store to your bio on TikTok. This is a fantastic way to make money on TikTok. TikTok. So if you're interested, I highly suggest that you try out print on demand. So next, for number 4, you can do something that's known as TikTok shoutouts or brand deals. So for this one, you can head on back to Fiverr.com and then search in the search bar TikTok. You can scroll down and browse through what are known as TikTok growth services. Essentially, all this means is that you can pay people and hire them to grow your TikTok account for you. And there are a couple of ways that you can go about doing this. You can do TikTok growth services, or you can actually select and discover people who already have TikTok pages where you can hire them to do a shout out for you to promote your TikTok account so you can grow it. And there is a reason for doing this, and I'll mention that to you in just a moment. So this person right here has this many reviews. They will do a shout out for you and promote your TikTok account. Very straightforward. So if we head on back over here, we will find several other people who will do the same thing for you as well. There's also a TikTok influencer marketing section on Fiverr. You are able to hire any of these people to help you grow your account. So the reason why you would want to do this is because TikTok has a section in it known as the TikTok Creator Marketplace. You can apply and get accepted onto this marketplace, and when you do, companies will be looking to partner with you to do brand deals and sponsorships for their products. And you'd be surprised how much you can potentially get paid to do this on TikTok. TikTokers can get paid thousands of dollars just for one post. So you want to focus on growing your TikTok account as quickly and as much as possible by hiring people to do shoutouts for you on Fiverr. And now the 5th way to make money on TikTok, and what I think is the best way to make the most amount of money, is by creating and promoting your own course. So again, if your TikTok account is about fitness, you can create your own course on how to teach people to get fit, but you most likely won't know where to post this course. You can go to this website called udemy.com, where they have a variety of different types of courses in several different categories. There's design, personal development, business, photography, and many more. So as an example, let's say you have a TikTok account on business. You can go over to Udemy and create and submit a course on how to grow your business. And then in order to promote the course, you can create content on your TikTok account that is promoting your course. This is essentially the same thing as affiliate marketing, but it's with your own product, so you get to keep 100% of the sales, enabling you to make much more money. So now that brings us to the end of today's video. If you would like to learn about another fantastic way to make money online, check out this video right here.